Good morning, friends. Myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I'll be talking about the Q4 FY13 Sensex earnings preview. We expect the earnings and revenue growth for Q4 FY13 to be slowest in the last 15 quarters. On the revenue growth side, we expect Sensex companies to post a growth of about 7.2% on aggregate basis and about 7.9% excluding oil companies. The three defensive sectors such as pharma, FMCG and IT will be able to show a revenue growth of 15 to 20%, whereas most other sectors will face pressure on the revenue growth. However, the sectors like automobiles, metals and energy would face higher pressure on the revenue growth. The sharp moderation in the economic growth is adversely affecting the demand in the consumer-driven segments such as auto and other consumer discretionary segments. In this quarter, however, the key thing is that the margin pressures are expected to peak out. Though EBITDA margins may decline on a YoY basis, but it should improve on a quarter-on-quarter basis. We expect the margins of EBITDA margins of Sensex companies, excluding banks, to increase by 15 to 20 basis point on a QoQ basis. The margin pressure is likely to continue for sectors such as metals, telecom, and capital goods. However, the EBITDA margins for sectors such as cement, pharma and energy should improve on a sequential basis. As far as earnings are concerned, as I told in the opening remarks, that the earnings growth would be slowest in the past 15 quarters. This Q4 we expect aggregate Sensex earnings to grow at about 1.8% YoY and 2.3% YoY growth excluding oil companies. The sharp slowdown in the sales growth coupled with YoY decline in the margins would be the key reasons for muted growth in earnings. However, on sequential basis, the Sensex earnings growth should bounce by about 10%. Moreover, the breadth of the earnings remain poor, as 1/3 of the Sensex companies are expected to show a negative growth on a YoY basis. So, overall outlook for the earnings growth for FY14 is quite sluggish. Given the weak economic environment, margin pressures and high leverage balance sheets, the aggregate earnings of Sensex company is likely to grow about 5 to 6% in FY13. This is short of street expectations at the beginning of the year. The consensus estimates for FY14 are also quite optimistic, as they factor recovery in the economy and higher monetary easing by RBI. So for FY14 the consensus growth estimates are about 15 to 16%, but we see a high risk of downgrades in these earnings. Realistically, we expect Sensex earnings to grow at about 9 to 10% in FY14, which is better than FY13 numbers. However, that for growth in earnings, a lot would depend upon the policy push by the government and the continued monetary easing by RBI. We remain hopeful and believe that the earnings growth will eventually bottom out in the first half of FY14. Thank you.